Aircraft preparations complete.
Some welcome. All aircraft, spread out and attack.
We're clear to attack, right? I heard the regular forces were gonna clean things up.
It's just like before. We blow the shit out of everything.
Sharp as attack, aren't you, Spare 8? Regular forces can reduce losses if you tenderize the base first. If you can't handle that, just fly and be a target.
We're being attacked. Enemy aircraft. Ready the anti-air interceptors. Open fire. Affirmative. We'll do what we can.
Transport truck spotted. Not a threat, but feel free to take them out.
Leave them to me. Missile is a kind of specialty of mine.
What are the odds of getting out alive?
That's for you to figure out, Spare 7.
The fire set off a chain reaction. At least stop it from spreading.
Get closer to the ground.
Target confirmed destroyed. Trigger again. Trigger. Rocking it hard.
Cut the crap. There's work to do. You're hitting 3 locations. Some have air power, so their threat levels vary. Think of the best way to rob them of their ability to respond. Use those empty heads of yours. If you die too fast, you won't even be useful as targets. The vehicles have been taken out. Move on to the next target.
You're our official fly swatter now, Trigger.
Any regular aircraft that join later needing any repairs or ammo will fly over the return line. However, you guys do not have that luxury.
So, what are we supposed to do?
All bombers destroyed before takeoff. Who did that?
Scratch one hostile.
That was fast. Keep up the good work.
Rhino. I'm out. Return to resupply. How are we supposed to work without ammo? I'm heading back.
Nice try. This stuff isn't for you guys.
Let's be honest here. Regulars like us aren't allowed to resupply. But in your heart, you want us to smash that base. Am I off?
You're gonna wish this mission never ended.
Looks like Bad Dog's finally come around.
Hostiles in your area are nearly wiped out. Get moving to a more crowded area. Try to catch some more lead.
Finally have a read on the targets. They're in one hell of a place. I'll take it from here.
Spare 15, missile away.
Trigger's taking out one of the AA guns. You're giving me another shot? Must be my lucky day.
The enemy base is divided into 3 sections. You did nothing more than destroy just one of them. Why are you acting like some big shot, Count?
Trigger's the one who did most of the work.
Why are you so proud of that, full band? Spare 15, locked on.
Locked on.
AA gun down.
Hostile has a lock.
Missile.
Trigger. They have a lock.
Damn enemy hiding in a place like this. They can at least make themselves easier to hit. Kill on target confirmed.
Missile.
Bandit in my sights.
Missile.
Missile incoming. Don't get in.
Our attack angles are limited. Check your 6. Behind you. Missile in the air. Heads up. There's a lock on Trigger's burn. They're after me.
Missile away. Spare 15, bandit is down. Missile evaded. Target hit. Spare 15, locked on.
Locked on.
AA gun down.
The electronics are now just a bunch of boxes.
gun down.
Target is annihilated.
Let's bet how much damage we can do with just machine guns.
Locked on bandit.
Spare 15 launching missile.
Missile.
Break! Missile!
Okay. All that's left below you is piles of rubble. Look for more enemies. Let's see if they can't hit you this time.
I know the base commander makes a big deal whenever a new mission comes in. But it's just one after another. Like that was the plan all along or something. Battle doctrines. When something happens, they tell you what to do next. Osia has one. It probably says where and when pawns like us will die. You mean they already know the next strategy? Hold up. Let's make a bet. Whoever guesses the next strategy wins. You can get in on this too, Bandog.
Maybe you guys need to cool your heads off in solitary.
Let me look into this doctrine thing.
Man, you're delusional.
Bribe is all you need to look into a terminal. It's amazing how many people write their password on a note by their desk. Gathering intel is all about getting access.
Spare 15 locked. Nice kill. Missile evaded. Missile launched. AA gun down.
Triggers destroyed all the trucks. This is Spare 11. Enemy base dead ahead. Damn it, we can't do this from the sky. We need ground troops.
Spare 11, just do your job.
Just give us a bomb big enough to blow the air.
Trigger destroyed the enemy facility while everyone else was sleeping. Aircraft approaching at high speed, bearing 280. They're drones.
These must be the infamous drones.
They can dogfight without pilot? Heard about them on the news.
Machines are not replacing humans.
Calm down. They're just obstacles in your way. Don't forget your original mission.
It's bad enough just dealing with the surface. Damn.
The anti-air guns are hit hard. Our air defense capabilities are compromised. Just grab whatever you can and return fire.
Did the jailer know about the shitstorm he was sending us into? Penal units are just pawns.
That lying son of a bitch. Don't pretend like you deserve any better. Continue with the operation.
Trigger eliminated target. This is Spare 7. Shit! Someone get this enemy off my tail! I can't. I've got my hands full too.
High roller missile, shake it off.
God damn it, I did! I'm still at the table! High roller missile, another one! I've got a bet on me getting out of this. Hey, someone's down. Who is it? It's High roller. He's been taken out.
Don't piss your pants over one aircraft being down.
What happens to a bet when the banker's out?
Wait, you moron.
Another man down. There's no point. Retreat.
Follow your orders. Continue the operation. Deserters will be punished.
I'm hit! I'm hit! My aircraft!
This isn't even a fight. You want to lose all your pilots?
Shut up.
Try and stop me.
Approaching return.
Spare 15, this is... Spare 15, you are cleared for... I'm getting behind Trigger. Stick with the best if you want to survive. If anyone wants to die, let him. Poor decision on your part. I've still got top score. Count Man, you're useless. Everyone knows you inflate your numbers.
Minutes remaining. Engage or face punishment.
Keep yapping away, little guard dog.
You'll pay for this.
Looks like we're the only ones having fun out here. Trigger, the one with the highest score wins. Let's settle who's best once and for all. Spare 15 down another. That's 3.
Locked on target.
The enemy's got a lock!
Spare 15, launching missile.
No, we got a fire!
There's no way this base can be attacked from the air.
You've done a fair amount of work to their ground units, but I see some of you still have ammo.
Trigger's still alive?
Continue with the attack. Keep yourself nice and exposed till I say otherwise. Confirmed kill on AA gun.
Caution. Pull up.
Breaking!
Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Missile. Missile.
That's job, Trigger. That's 5. I've shut down 6.
Missile.
Bullshit. You're still on 2.
Hey, are you sure your radar's working right?
Never thought I'd say this, but you're doing a hell of a job, Spare Squadron.
Congratulations from the guard dog. I'm touched.
Don't make me take it back. Eradicate the rest of them.
7's down. That's more than an ace. If you keep flying straight, you'll get hit.
Ready for the tunnel! They're taking off from inside! Tunnel? You gotta be kidding!
Spare 15 locked. Target was not hit. Spare 15, missile away.
Fox 2. Enemy on your tail! Breaking!
If only I could bring a radio through my specs.
2 minutes remaining.
You're not like the ones who scurry back to the base, Trigger. I'll give you that.
Enemy base is crippled. That's enough. Go find some enemies that can kill you.
Missile.
I'm going after the bastards that attacked us.
Spare 15, enemy's got a lock.
Stall warning. Stall warning.
This is Spare 11. Launching missile. I can't get close enough to try. Spare 15 is cleaning up. 10 crafts down.
Spare 15, Fox 2. Remaining. Spare 15 locked on.
Hostile has a lock.
Target was not hit.
Getting out of block. Breaking!
Don't ice up in there.
Allied down! Attack this!
30 seconds remaining.
They're still at it!
base enough. Operation is complete. Head back. The bastards who flew off are going to wish they were never born. You guys get a pass.
Damn right. I wouldn't be surprised if we're thrown in solitary too. Hey, who wants to bet who goes into solitary? That's what that gambling nutjob would say if he was still here.
Where's your sense of humor, guys? Your buddy's making a joke. Laugh already.